Hey there everyone! Here we are again with another episode of wonderful moments in everyday life caught on camera. Today you'll witness some of the most stunning and rare natural phenomena. Let's go! This is not sea foam carried by air current over long distances. These are clouds, have been observed on the ground in China, India, and the Arabian Peninsula.
بریم اطرافش هم ببینیم. جالبه. از عجایب زاگرس، چشمه داخل درخت.
A unique spring tree in Iran.
خیلی عجیبه. منظره
It's too big to get in the picture now.
A dusty day for Australians is just another day. Occasionally, these storms can completely cover whole cities.
Wow.
At Mocha Island in Chile, you can ignite water when touched by a torch, the seasoned natural gas leaking from fishes on the ocean bed. A spectacular size of an iceberg being born in Alaska.
Oh my god. That is incredible. Let's get out of here. Look, it's gonna lift up. They paid to go out there to watch it.
You should know this croc went there by its own will. During dry seasons, they do it occasionally. Next time you want to complain about the weather, just remember this video. Jonah, a volcano in Indonesia that's been active without a break since 1933. How cool would it be to see the start of his next eruption right before your eyes? The breathtaking moment when ice breaks off in Pito Merino Glacier in Patagonia shows a towering ice wall that stands about 60 meters high. For anyone who gets seasick, just watching this video could make you queasy. A ferry was caught in a tropical cyclone near Taiwan.
Alright, science experiment, take one. Actually pointed at the water. No.
That is incredible. This amazing glow is caused by tiny plankton that can produce bioluminescence. To start glowing, they need a stimulus such as raindrops. An insect invasion can be a disaster, right? Even entomologists sometimes struggle to explain the reason behind such sudden population surges. A phenomenal occurrence in a cornfield. Floodwaters bring a lot of debris which can be a useful source. An incredible sight for the Georgia Strait in Canada. A sharp boundary can be seen where the fresh water of the Fraser River meets the salty water of the Pacific Ocean.
Lúc ấy ở thích change thầy chẳng khuyên. Nó đi đâu du mình xía. Đi phải cái đẹp thảo thua xía.
มันนี่ฮะก็โกงนี่ฮะซี่อะไรมาซี่นี่นั่นนะโกงนี่ฮะ
This one is my favorite. An incredible meeting of the elements in Iceland.
Пошла, родная! Широкая, блин.
Большущая. Огроменная, ребята, да.
Вот это да.
Это нормально.
Третья это вообще просто улет.
Смотри сюда. Сейчас через хребет, через хребет.
Пошла.
Давай до нашего дома, давай. Иди.
Сейчас мой завалит.
Повыбивал.
Сейчас мой позавалит, где я живу. Я же как раз там.
Смотри
там
вот
живу.
туда, чуть-чуть разверни-ка. Вон, да.
Сейчас клубы сюда пойдут.
This is not seafoam carried by air current over long distances. These are clouds, have been observed on the ground in China, India, and the Arabian Peninsula. Not many people had saw a double rainbow. These two were lucky enough to see a triple one. Poor cars. I wonder did their owners say goodbye to them? A sudden landslide has overwhelmed this small alpine town. Imagine stepping outside and stumbling upon an oil field right away. Sometimes words can't reveal what's inside the amazed brain. Have you ever seen phenomena like this? Comment for us. Remember to subscribe for more contents that would amaze you again. Thanks for watching.